Coding is the process of using a computer language to combine different commands and instructions to get a desired result. Coding is not limited to instructing computers on what to do. It also enables humans to tell computers what they want them to do. Coding might seem like an intimidating task, but it's actually not that hard and anyone can learn it with some time and practice. There are many tutorials and videos available online that can help you learn coding in no time at all. What you need to know about coding for beginners. The world of coding is a vast and complex one. However, it does not need to be difficult to get started. To ease the process of entering this field, we will provide a list of resources that can help you with programming languages and more. Anyone can learn and use coding in their professional or personal life. 5 steps to get started in coding. Find why you want to code. Coding is the language of technology. With it, you can program and control the way technology interacts with people and the world around them. You can build apps, games, websites, robots, and more, just like computer science superheroes do. Coding isn't just for programmers or computer scientists anymore. Many different careers require coding skills to accomplish their goals. For example, marketers need them to create landing pages that convert visitors into customers. Engineers use them to prototype new products and more. Learn the software and tools that you will use. You will need to download a code editor in order to start writing code on your laptop or desktop. You can choose from many different ones like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and so on. Most come with interactive development environments to assist you in writing clean, error-free code. Choose your first programming language. When you're new to programming, the first thing you should do is decide which language you plan to learn. There are numerous languages to choose from. There are several reasons you might want to learn a particular language or framework. Maybe you want to make a web app to sell products online, or help build an app that will help your local library. While choosing a language is important, one little known fact about programming is that it's actually easier to learn another programming language after completing an introductory course. Take a look at online tutorials and look for someone who is teaching someone else how to code. There are many tutorials out there, so just follow one that looks good to you. Explore free resources and online courses on how to code. There are many resources available today that teach coding to students and adults alike. With the availability of these resources, it is now possible to learn coding without having to go through the rigorous process of attending a university. The best way to get started with coding is by using the free tutorials on Code Academy or Free Code Camp website. Once you have gone through a few tutorials, you will be able to build your own projects and even create your own website. The best part about these websites is that it will always be free in its entirety. You can quickly learn some basic programming concepts like variables, loops, and functions, among other things. Practice makes perfect. As with all skills, practice makes perfect, and practicing coding will lead you to become a great programmer. You should devote some time of your day to learn code and practice it yourself. You can also look at other people's code, learn from it, and make changes to it. Practicing this way will make you a better coder. Bonus step: join a community where you can share your knowledge and learn new skills. As a bonus step, it is recommended to join an active community of other beginners on sites like GitHub, Discord, LinkedIn, etc. You'll find fellow strugglers and mentors waiting for your questions and offers of assistance. You'll be part of an ever-growing community and learn new skills while helping others. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to start learning to code if you are a beginner. If this was helpful, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.